you ever opened your Google business profile and thought, wait, when did my hours change? Or why is my phone number wrong? Frustrating, right? Or worse, it's losing you customers. Today, I'll show you exactly why Google makes these changes, how to prevent them, and how to take control back of your Google listing. I've worked in local SEO for over 5 years, helping businesses troubleshoot issues with Google business profiles. Along the way, I've uncovered the most common culprits for these unauthorized changes. According to Sterling Sky, these changes often stem from Google's automated system, public edits, and even third-party apps that have access to your listing that you don't even realize. I've had clients wake up to see that their business category changed overnight, and the impact to their rankings and revenue was shocking. So, why does Google keep changing your hours, phone number, or even your business name? It comes down to 4 main sources: your website or social profile. Google crawls your website and can update your business profile with information that it finds. If your website hours conflict with what's on GBP, Google could overwrite your profile. Number 2, third-party apps. Third-party apps like Yext and SEMrush can push and overwrite incorrect data to your profile without you even realizing. 3, owners and managers. Anyone with access to your profile can make edits. And if you're finding this video helpful, make sure to click the like button and subscribe for more helpful tips on mastering Google Business Profile. 4, public users. High trust users on Google Maps can make edits to profiles that Google will automatically approve. These changes are meant to improve customer experience, but when they're wrong, they can cause big problems for your business. Think about this. A customer checks your hours on Google, drives across town to visit your business, only to find that you're closed? How likely are they to come back? Or what if your phone number's wrong? That's a sale gone before you even realize that customer's interested in your business. And what about rankings? I've seen businesses drop from the top of Google Maps to page 3 because their business category was changed. Imagine how much traffic you'd lose if that happened to you. Let me tell you about an HVAC company I worked with. Their primary category was switched from air conditioning repair service to air conditioning contractor. They dropped from spot number 1 in the local pack to spot 31 overnight. By catching the issue quickly and reverting the change, we were able to get them back to that number 1 spot within 2 weeks. That's the power of staying on top of your profile. I've also seen clients that accidentally authorize a third-party app that overwrote their phone number with a tracking number that wasn't even theirs. Removing those apps solved the problem instantly. Now it's your turn. Go to your Google business profile and check 3 things. Who has access to your profile? Have you authorized any third-party apps? And do the hours on your profile match what's on your website? Drop a comment below if you find anything interesting. I would love to help you troubleshoot. At the end of the day, your Google business profile is one of your most powerful tools for attracting more customers, but only if it's accurate. By staying vigilant and proactive, you can make sure your profile reflects your business in the best possible light. Remember, regularly monitor your profile, keep your website consistent, and don't let unauthorized changes go unnoticed. If you want more in-depth tutorials on managing Google Business Profile, check out this playlist linked here. And don't forget to subscribe for weekly tips on how to grow your business online. See you next video.